Climate change happens already today, and it will also impact the next generation. How much it will impact, we actually decide a lot today. COP26 is a critical time. It is a time when all actors of society comes together to see how we can limit climate change to 1.5 degrees. We have a responsibility to take actions now. Science tells us that this decade is a critical decade, and we need to make every year count until 2030.
IKEA is committed to becoming climate positive by 2030. We will achieve this by reducing more greenhouse gas emissions than our value chain emits, at the same time as we continue to grow our business. The IKEA climate footprint covers the entire life cycle of our products, from the extraction of raw materials to how our products are used at home and until their end of life. Due to the urgency of climate crisis, we must focus on the actions within our value chain that drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions in absolute terms. We will address the root causes of the IKEA climate footprint and not rely on carbon offsetting to reach our goals. Our plan to drastically reduce the greenhouse gas emissions includes transforming into a circular business, striving towards electrification, 100% renewable energy, continually improving energy efficiency, and using more materials and food ingredients with a low climate footprint. We will also remove and store carbon through forestry and agriculture within the IKEA value chain. And by prolonging the life of our products, for example, test a furniture leasing model, buy back furniture service, and increasing availability of spare parts. To finally become climate positive, we will go beyond IKEA, taking an extended responsibility for the IKEA value chain to enable our suppliers and customers to achieve additional reductions in society.
To tackle climate change, it is clear that you have to have a holistic approach. You have to look into biodiversity, water scarcity, human rights agenda, many topics together at the same time. We are very pleased that at this COP26, biodiversity is one of the top priorities. We have worked with biodiversity for a long time with IKEA through our forestry program, but also through our responsible sourcing program. At COP26, we will introduce new guidance for companies to tackle air pollutions together with the Climate and Clean Air Coalition and the Stockholm Environmental Institute. Also, we are very pleased to announce that we have a collaboration with several large companies signing a 2040 ambition statement through the collaboration platform Cargo Owners and Zero Emission Vessels, facilitated by the Aspen Institute. By signing this ambition statement, it's a call for action to advance the decarbonization of the ocean industry.
To enable us to meet our goals, it is critical that we're able to measure, follow up, and forecast in a science-based way. For COP26, we're happy to share a series of important initiatives that will help us and many other companies to do this. Together with WWF and H&M, IKEA is developing a framework for what true climate leadership means, providing a science-based definition and method for becoming climate positive. Secondly, to be able to drastically reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, we must be able to forecast which actions will have the most impact. That is why we have built a scenario analysis tool to help us plan ahead and take and prioritize the most impactful actions. IKEA is also contributing to the establishment of a global accounting standard for how to calculate the removing and storing carbon effect in a science-based way, by co-funding and engaging in a global project to extend the Greenhouse Gas Protocol with guidance on carbon removals and land use.
Through our People and Planet Positive strategy, our sustainability strategy, we do tackle climate change in a holistic way. We have ambitions and commitments to 2030 that are so high we cannot tackle them ourselves. This is why we joined, for example, COP26, to meet actors of society, to come together and work on things like clean air, biodiversity, forest management, and other related climate topics. We want to make every year count up to 2030 and lead with facts, and this is the most important time that we can do that.